Hey guys, thanks for opening this video. I am going to be showing you a 1 acre beachfront property in St. Anne. Subtly, you heard how many times the term prime came to mind. St. Anne beachfront 1 acre. Yeah, so the Keller Williams Jamaica team has this property for sale and we're putting it out to the market. You know, hopefully if you are someone you know would be interested in getting a lot like this, just reach out to us, reach out to me. I'll be happy to help. It's the first time here. Thanks again for joining. My name is Ariel. I'm a real estate agent licensed in Jamaica. I help my clients with either purchasing or buying property, leasing, renting, of those things, both residential and commercial, and I'll be happy to help you. So if you need some assistance in doing so, definitely reach out to me. And naturally, if you are going to be hunting for property, it's important to be pre-qualified for a mortgage. I can connect you with those mortgage lenders. I'll leave that link in the description. All right. And again, if you have any questions, just reach out to me, man. You can send me a WhatsApp. It's 876-553-4246. All right, cool.